Hi there everybody, it's UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator Halsey here from SlimmandStylish.com. Thank you very much for joining me today. It's the 5th of January, which means our brand new mini catalogue and our Sale-a-Bration has gone live today over on my store www.SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net. So instead of actually having a project for you today, I'm going to run through both of the catalogues for you, show you some of the products, let you know all the details, and as always, everything that I'm showing today can be purchased from my store www.SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net. I have done quite a few projects with the different stamp sets and papers and bits and pieces that I'm going to show you, so please do have a look through my YouTube and subscribe for more inspiration. So let's get going. I've got on my table the annual catalogue. So this is our catalogue that has been live since June, and it's got our base materials in it. So as well as having a hell of a load of stamps, it's got lots of different cardstocks in there, mainly our ribbons, our embellishments, our inks and our blends and things like that. The mini catalogue is now going to be our spring catalogue, so it's available January to June, and there's lots of stuff in here which I'm going to run through with you now. And the Sale-a-Bration catalogue is a small thin pamphlet catalogue, but this is a free catalogue, so all of the items in here you can't purchase, you can earn through purchases from these two. So let me explain to you how that works. For every £45 that you spend either in the annual catalogue or our mini catalogue, you will get one free Sale-a-Bration credit. Okay, these are cumulative, so if you spend £90 you get 2 credits, £135 you get 3 credits, and you can then redeem them against kit that is in the Sale-a-Bration catalogue. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2 of these videos, one that runs through purely the Sale-a-Bration catalogue and shows you all of the Sale-a-Bration products, and I'm going to do another one that runs through just the mini catalogue and shows you all the mini catalogue products. Okay, they're both going to be live on my YouTube channel today, so please do find them. So then, this is the Sale-a-Bration pamphlet section of the video. Like I said, there will be 2 videos. One will feature the mini catalogue. This one is a Sale-a-Bration pamphlet, and you can have a look at both of them, and it will be a walkthrough page by page. It will also show you the products so you can get an idea and a feel for them and see what products you would like to add to your shopping basket. Everything that you see will be available to purchase at www.SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net. So as mentioned, the Sale-a-Bration pamphlet does not contain products that you can purchase. They need to be earned through purchases from either the mini catalogue or the annual catalogue. So it works on a credit basis. If you spend £45, you get 1 credit. Or if you spend £90, you get 2 credits. If you spend £135, 3 credits. Okay, you can earn multiple Sale-a-Bration sets with your orders. So the more you spend, the more you get for free. Okay, and I'm going to run through what you can get. Now, some of the sets in here are 1 credit sets and some of them are 2 credit sets. So I'll explain that as we get there as well. So first up is the Paper Blooms Designer Series paper. This is free if you spend £45 through my store. These are 12 by 12 papers that feature 6 double-sided designs. So you actually get, no, I've worded that wrong. There's 12 sheets of paper that feature 2 of 6 double-sided designs, and they're 12 by 12. I got there eventually. Okay, these coordinate with the Pretty Perennials set that you can find in the mini catalogue. So if you head over to my video, you'll be able to see my walkthrough of the mini catalogue and have a look at the Pretty Perennials set. And there is a video using this paper and that set on my channel. But if you spend £45, you can get this paper for free. Okay, next up is the Darling Donkeys stamp set. This stamp set is just adorable, really cute. I use these for my customer thank you gifts in December, and I also sent out a bunch of cards using this with my catalogues this year, and I just think it's so cute. I saw some really fun cards that have been made by demonstrators that is using this one here, and it looks like he's kicking 2020 out, and they sent it as New Year cards, and I thought that was hilarious. Really sweet set. There's 8 stamps. It's a cling stamp set, and it is available free when you spend £45 or more with me on my site. Okay, next up is the Approaching Perfection cling stamp set. This one here has also been featured on a video on my site. Has it, or is it scheduled? I think it's scheduled actually. I think it's coming up maybe next week. But if you search Approaching Perfection on my site, there's going to be some samples up there anyway. And I quite liked this one here. Newsflash, birthdays found to be good for health. Studies show that people who have more birthdays live the longest. And I quite like that, coordinated with the candles on top. Okay, there are 7 stamps for this, and this you can get for free if you spend £45 or more with me. This is a level 1 credit. Next up is the So Ombre Designer Series paper. This paper is my paper of papers. We have gorgeous, gorgeous papers. But this is my one from this year that I think is just absolutely stunning. It's 6 by 6, which is much better for me because I sometimes get scared about, well, not scared, I don't want to cut into the really big sheets of paper because they look beautiful. What if they go wrong? And I don't want to cut them, but the 6 by 6s I have absolutely no problem in cutting and using. These features 4 different colours. You've got Granny Apple Green, you have got Blackberry Bliss, you've got Bermuda Bay, and somewhere in here you've got Rocio Rose as well. There are 2 different, there's not 2 different designs. I'm sure there's, oh yeah, you've got the design that is the ombre effect, so it starts dark, goes to light, dark, goes to light, or you've got the design that has the circles on, which also starts dark and goes to light. Okay, so you've got the 2 different designs. There's 48 sheets in this. I have used quite a few of them, so it is a huge bumper set, and you can get this free if you spend £45. So it's another 1 credit product. Let me just shift these to the side because otherwise they're going to stack up and they're going to clutter my desk. I don't like clutter. Next stamp set up is the Corner Bouquet stamp set. This one is all imagery and it is lovely. And one thing that I have liked to do with it, if it's not on my site now, it is on one of my scheduled videos to come up, is to use my Stampin' Write markers, pop it onto a block and colour block this through so it actually runs through and it looks really nice. Do a little spray of watercolour on it and pop it down and it looks lovely. It's a very nice set, I think. There are 4 stamps, but it works out quite well. And if you wanted to, you can do the mirror stamping technique using your adhesive, what's it called? I know what it's called. Your silicone adhesive mat. You can use the reflective stamping or the mirror stamping effect. If you search those on my YouTube, it'll show you how to do it. And then you can get this round in a full circle and build up the whole of your card. Okay. Oh, sorry, I should have said that was, you can also get this free if you spend £45. That was another level 1 credit. Another level 1 credit free if you spend £45 is the Heal Your Heart stamp set. So whereas the Corner Bouquet was all graphics, this one is all sentiments, and I quite like how it's calligraphied. I think it's lovely. There are 6 different sentiments here. We're in this together. I can't promise to always fix your problems, but I can promise you won't ever face them alone. I like that one. Sorry for your loss. I don't know what I'd do without you. Wishing I could heal your heart, and thank you. It's quite a nice set, and it is a cling stamp set, which I always think just makes the sentiments look just a little bit crisper. Okay, also a £45 set. So if you spend £45, you can get this paper for free. This is the Flower and Field DSP. So this is also 12 by 12. I've actually used some of the sheets and cut them down. You also get 2 each of 6 double-sided designs. And I like the fact that the main base of these are black. Just makes them a little bit different, I think. So yes, you can also get that for free if you spend £45. Next up are our level 2 sets. So this is if you spend £90, you can get this free, and it uses 2 credits. So this is the A Touch of Ink photopolymer stamp set, and truthfully this is my favourite SaleaBration stamp set. I think it's really nice. It's 2-step stamping, so you can use the infill around, so you've got the outline and then you can use the infill to colour it in, or you can pick up with your blends and go with it there. You've also got a grungy set for background detail, and you've got all of these sentiments on the side. Overall, there's 17 stamps, and the images that are on this stamp set, they're at 65%. So actually, when you look at them, if you look at the bird against the bird, they are a lot bigger. Really fabulous set, that one. Another set that is 2 credits and is free if you spend £90 is the Berry Blessing stamp and the Very Delightful Designer Series paper. So I don't know what I've done with the stamp. I can see it, it's on my shelf. I didn't pick it up. This is a double set, so you can get the 12 by 12 paper. Again, you get 2 sheets of 6 double-sided designs. So there's 12 sheets that are 12 by 12 overall. And then you also get the coordinating stamp set. And this coordinates with the sweet strawberry bundle that is in the mini catalogue. So do have a look at my run through of the mini catalogue, and you can see the set that it coordinates with and get all of the products for this. But yeah, it's a really nice set that is, and it's nice that you get the stamp and the paper with this one. So that's your extra wow. And like I said, it costs 2 credits for that. Final points to notice that during SaleaBration, so from the 5th of January to the 28th of February, you can host a party, or you can shop more, or you can get together with a group of friends and place one group order. So if, for instance, you spend with me £150 in one order, you get 10% back in Stampinup rewards. Okay, so you'd place your order of £150 and then you'd get £15 to spend on free product. Okay. If you shopped, spent or parted £275 with me during that period, sorry, it has to be on one order, you can't do it in several different orders, it has to be one order, you get 12% worth of rewards, and that's what this grid does here, it adds it up. But as soon as you spend over £275, you get a free stamp set as well as those rewards as a thank you. And this is not available to purchase. It is only free if you spend £275 with me. Okay. Finally, the best offer that there is during SaleaBration is the joining offer. I would love to have you as one of my Stampin' Bells. I really would. It's ever so much fun. We have a great team. We all connect via Facebook group. We have different Zoom meetings monthly where we craft and create together. We also normally, in normal times, have face-to-face events. But the big plus about joining is the discounts that you can get. So first of all, you can choose whatever you want for your starter kit and spend £99. And with that, you get £130 worth of products. So look through all of our catalogues, decide what you want that costs £130, and you will pay £99 for it, saving you £31. In addition, you will get all of these paper stacks free. So these paper stacks here are going to be from the next annual catalogue, so they're not available to purchase yet. You will get 5 packs featuring the different colour families for free when you join before the 28th of February. In addition, like that's not enough, for any supplementary order you place, you will get 20% off your order value. So if you're looking through the catalogues and you're liking what you're seeing, but you're thinking, I'm going to be spending quite a bit, I would like to get a good discount, speak to me, because there is always an option for you to join my team and make some major savings through the Sale-a-Bration period. It's one of the best times of the year to join Stampin' Up, and I'd love to welcome you to my team. So hopefully you've enjoyed the video today. There is a slightly longer one on my channel that features a run through of the mini catalogue and shows you all of the products that you can get in it. And there are also lots of product previews now up on my YouTube that you can go through and you can see what I have made with the different sets, and hopefully you like them. As I mentioned, all available to purchase through my store. I do send a separate thank you gift to everybody at the end of the month who is shopped with me as a thank you for your order, because they are always very much appreciated. Have a lovely day. Any questions, please do get in touch. Either leave a comment below or you can email me SlimmandStylish@live.co.uk, or you can make contact with me through my blog. Speak to you all soon.
I hope you've enjoyed today's project. All items that I have used on this video are available to purchase from my store, www.SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net. Alternatively, if you would like a copy of our catalogues, please send me an email to SlimmandStylish@live.co.uk or leave me a comment below and I'll get in touch with you. I upload regular content to this channel, so if you do enjoy watching my tutorials, please make sure that you have subscribed and rang the bell to get notifications when new videos go live. Thank you for joining me and have a lovely day.